Good morning, children. Hope you are all doing good and fine. So, this is the last part of the lesson Learning the Game by Sachin Tendulkar. So, as you all know, Sachin Tendulkar is a former Indian cricketer, and this lesson is all about his hard work and his determination to come or to become a very great cricketer. So, we have already done the lesson in 3 parts, and this is the last and final part. And if you have not gone through the first 3 videos, please do it so that you will have a better understanding of this last part of the video. Before we get into the last part of our lesson, I would like to give a review of what we have learned in our previous classes or in the previous videos. So the first is Sachin took to practicing cricket at the age of 11 when his brother Ajit took him to the famous coach Ramakant Achrekar for a summer camp. And in the initial part, Sachin failed to make an impact on Ramakant Achrekar, and finally or eventually he made it a point that he did well, and Achrekar sir took him for the summer camp. And all through the summer camp, Sachin practiced very rigorously and worked very hard, and Ramakant Achrekar finally told Ajit that Sachin could shine in cricket a lot more, and all his excess energies in his body were channeled to cricket. And Ramakant Achrekar suggested Sachin to transfer his school from New English School in Bandra to Sharada Ashram Vidya Mandir. And the only question that Sachin's father had was if Sachin was very serious about cricket or not. And when Sachin assured that he is very serious and it was his passion to be a cricketer, his father transferred the schools. And during the next summer camp in Shivaji Park, Sachin practiced a lot right from the morning, that is 7:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. and he even had a 15 minutes intense practice session. All these training sessions helped him to build his physical and mental stamina. So today's class is about the difficult stride that Sachin took to reach his success or to reach his greatness. When Sachin's father came to pick him up occasionally in Shivaji Park, he would demand a cocktail from the nearby juice center. So what is this cocktail? A cocktail is a mixed drink with a combination of ingredients such as fruit juice, lemonade, flavored syrup or cream. So he would ask his father to treat him with a cocktail, and his father would do it just to see happiness in Sachin's face. And the other days when his father is not there to pick him up, he would travel by bus, and if he would sleep in the bus if he managed to get a seat. Because it is very difficult to get a seat during the peak hours when there will be so many people and the buses are so crowded and rushed. And if he was not so lucky enough to get a seat, he stands with his kit bag, and the conductors will complain him that he is occupying the space of another passenger with his kit bag, and he would feel so shameful, and at the same time his dirty clothes with sweat and all other dust will also add to his embarrassment. So what is his embarrassment? Embarrassment is feeling of self-consciousness, a shame or awkwardness. So he felt very awkward to stand between a crowded people with his dirty clothes and covered with sweat. So he learned a lot during these travel and took these remarks to push him forward in his stride. So he did not take anything to his heart, but he took it as a remark to push him forward or to propel him forward in his progress. Like a helmet and pad in his cricket, the kit bag became his extension. So like a cricketer who has a helmet and pad with him always, the kit bag also became an extension of Sachin, or to be carried around with him always. So what is this kit bag? So kit bag is a long cylindrical canvas bag, and where these people, the cricketers, used to carry all their accessories. So all those things that they need to keep themselves, they used to carry in this kit bag. So that is a kit bag. So just like a helmet and pad during cricket, the kit bag also became an extension of Sachin. So then the part is the lazy days that Sachin went on during his cricket practice. So Sachin loved cricket so much, but occasionally, then and there, he tried to take a break from playing in the nets with his friends. Okay, so he used to play with his friends in a street, and his coach comes all the way from Shivaji Park to his home in a scooter to take him back to the nets for practice. The coach virtually dragged him from the melee and would take him to the nets for practice. So what is this melee? Melee is a confused crowd of people. So there will be so many people, and his coach will virtually drag him out of that crowd and take him to the nets for practice. The coach advised him on the drive or on his way back to the Shivaji Park. His coach used to advise him, do not waste your time playing insane games with these kids. Cricket is waiting for you in the nets. Practice hard and see what magic can transpire. So the coach always advised him not to waste his time playing silly games with the kids nearby his home, but to practice very hard for the cricket in the nets, that is in Shivaji Park, and see what magic or what are the greatness that he can achieve. Once Sachin bunked his evening practice to watch an inter-school cricket match, not anticipating his coach to be there. So one fine day, Sachin bunked his evening cricket practice and went for an inter-school cricket match just to watch it. And he did not expect or anticipate his coach to be there on the ground. And finally, when his coach found him sitting there and watching cricket, his coach, he was very angry with him, and he scolded him and dragged him off to the ground for practice. And there was one occasion when the coach punished him when trying to teach an important lesson. So Sachin was inattentive during the class, and so his coach punished him for being inattentive. Only if Sachin practiced hard in the nets, then one day people would come to watch him play. So his coach kept on telling Sachin that only if you practice well, someday many other people around the world will come to watch you play in the ground. So that was the advice given by the coach Ramakant Achrekar to Sachin very constantly to keep him pushing forward. So these are the lazy days, but all these lazy days were overcome by Sachin's passion for cricket. The final part or the conclusion is that Sachin in his own words gives a brief note. Okay, we need to have proper career orientation. Your personality plays an important role in choosing the type of career you want. Choose something you enjoy and really want to do, and you will be successful. So here Sachin advises the readers. Okay, so what is his advice? His advice is that you should have a proper career orientation. You should always choose something that you enjoy the most, or that is your passion. You do not choose something just because the others wanted you to do, but you have to choose a career, or you have to choose a career for yourself that you love so much. You love so much and it is your passion, and only if you take up your passion as your career, you can be successful. This is a note that Sachin gives to the readers. And Ramakant Achrekar was a strict disciplinarian and did everything he could do for Sachin. Had it not been for Sir, Sachin would not be the cricketer he turned out to be. He owes himself to his coach. So, here Sachin gives all the credits for his greatness to his coach Ramakant Achrekar, because he is a very strict disciplinarian, because he dragged Sachin out of his friends and gave him constant practice, and he did everything he could for Sachin. And had it not been for Sir or the coach, Sachin would not be a great cricketer as he turned out to be. So he owes, or he is very much debtor to his coach. So this is a lesson, learning the game, and this lesson is an extract from his autobiography, Playing It My Way. So this we already know. So hope you have understood everything in this lesson. If you have any doubts, you can contact me personally for clarifications. So keep learning, children. Thank you.